Lawrence, what should I do when a social worker calls me? They're being very friendly and they're asking to come and make a house call.
We've had cases like that before. Generally, what we've seen them are social workers for CPS, Child Protective Service. They're employees of the county in which you're situated. So right now we're in LA County, so you might have an LA social worker contact. One of the things that they always try to do is they try to be your friend and they act like they're on your side. But remember, they're not on your side. Their role as a social worker is to investigate child abuse against a child. And so, we've seen clients, maybe they have nannies who are unhappy about their employment situation. And one of the ways we've seen them try to take revenge is report them to CPS. Now, the threshold in opening an investigation getting started is pretty low. These social workers will investigate most reports that come across them. If the person seems somewhat credible, they'll open up an investigation. And one of the first things they do is they contact the parents and try to get an interview as soon as possible. Our recommendation is, of course, you contact a lawyer right away and have the attorneys communicate directly with the CPS. The attorneys are the best in doing that because even though eventually you'll be able to get interviewed, you want the attorney there to be able to object to any questions that they feel are totally improper, totally outside of this. Sometimes that might be in the case of medical objections. So we've had a case where the CPS worker was trying to get information out of one of the children that weren't a relevant party in that investigation. It was good that the clients had a lawyer because I was able to object and say, look, she's not a relevant party. In fact, the questions you're asking go to her medical privilege, and me as a parent, have a right to control that. So bottom line is it's really important to reach out to a lawyer, have that lawyer contact that social worker right away. Sort of the statement that you could make to that social worker is, let me get back to you. Thanks for calling. I'm aware of this. Let me get back to you. And when you do get back, hopefully it's an attorney that's getting back to the social.